I dreamed you, I saw your face, cut my lifeline when drifting through space. I saw an angel, I saw my fate. I can only thank God it was not too late. Over mountains I floated away, across an ocean I dreamed her name, followed an angel down through the gates. I can only thank God it was not too late. Sing a little song of loneliness, sing one to make me smile. Another round for everyone, I'm here for a little while. Now I'm walking the street on my own, but she's with me everywhere I go. Well, I found an angel, I found my place. I can only thank God it was not too late. I can only thank God it was not too late. I can only thank God it was not too late. Hey there, folks. It's going to be a guitar lesson for Angel Dream by Tom Petty. This is off his She's the One, the motion picture soundtrack. Kind of a great album if you haven't checked it out. A lot of great Tom Petty songs on there. They're all Tom Petty songs. I've got the guitar in standard tuning, and I'm using a capo on the 4th fret. I think Tom might have moved the capo on live versions. I think he might have slid it up to the 5th fret on some versions I've heard. But I think on the recording it's on the 4th fret, but you can check me on that. I'm going to do the lesson with the capo on the 4. I'm going to call the chords with the capo on. The guitar is in standard tuning though. There's not a lot of chords to this, so let's get into this. The main part of the song is this little riff in C. So it sounds something like this in real time, and then we'll slow it down. Okay, that's a C, basically it's a C to a C sus4 back to C. But what I'm doing is I'm plucking the C note, the 5th string, and then I'm kind of a little hammer on the 4th string at the 3rd fret, and then you're down to 2nd fret because you're doing a sus4 and then back to the C. So slowly it's C. And then I'm just going to add some notes. So I'm just going to add some of the other strings, the lower strings. I dreamed you, I saw your face, cut my lifeline when drifting through space. I saw an angel. Now we go to A minor, and then I'm going to add 2nd string at the 3rd fret, the D note, A minor, and then do it again. Back to I saw my fate, the C. I can only thank God it was not too late. That's an F. I can only thank God, C. It was not G. Too late. Back to the C. So that's all the verses. Is all you need to know. And then the middle part, the other part, it goes to an A minor. It's a sing a little song of loneliness. A minor. Sing a little song of loneliness to G. C. Sing one to make me smile. It's an F. I'm playing the A bass and the high G, if you want to add that. A minor. Another round for everyone, G. I'm C here for a little while. The F with the high G again. You kind of hold that to a G. And I do a sus4 on the G, so G. That takes you back into the verses. Then you're back to C. Now I'm walking this street on my own, but she's with me everywhere I go. Yeah, I found an angel. That's the A minor. Found back to C. I can F, C, G, C to F, C, G, C. I can only thank God it was not too late. Hey folks, that's Angel Dream by Tom Petty off the She's the One motion picture soundtrack. A beautiful, lovely acoustic ballad by Tom. Really just the exact type of songs I like to cover on my channel. Thank you folks for watching. Everybody stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you all soon with another lesson. Take care.